Okay, today we are in Coconut Island with my son Kim. We're going to cook some special dishes. It's typical from Phuket. It's called pa thot khamin, fish with turmeric. Okay, Kim, now we got the fish. We have to do the marinade. So what you need to do is to pound 3 coriander root.
All right.
We put a lot of garlic, like 10 pieces of clove garlic. Then this is from Southern Thai cuisine, so I'm going to add the fresh turmeric.
Oh,
4 pieces.
wow, it's beautiful. Look at the color.
You need to powder them. Really
All
smooth.
orange.
Orange color. Then we have 1 tablespoon coriander seeds.
Wow.
1.5. And we have some black pepper. 1 tablespoon as well. So you need to pound them all together.
That's gonna make it spicy, no? The black pepper.
Not spicy, but really give a nice taste. Kim, during you pound the paste, I'm going to marinate. What you need? 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce.
All right.
1. I'm going to add a bit of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon. I'm going to put a bit of fish sauce. 1 tablespoon.
Fish sauce for the saltiness, huh?
For saltiness and to give it really tight taste. After that, I need to add a bit of sugar. 1 tablespoon. So your paste is ready?
Nearly.
This is ready. So what we do now, we put this mix.
Oh yeah,
Nice
it's much
color.
more grinded.
It's here in the bowl. So I'm going to do now, like you said, you asked me the question, why don't I put here? I put here also.
Put inside to give the
Inside,
aroma out.
yes. And I'm going to put everywhere here.
You want me to help you with the paste?
Yeah, you can do.
Only one side of the fish,
The
no?
2 sides.
2 side, all right. So
So you have to put them. Okay, now if the people who want to cook this recipe, you don't have the fresh turmeric, you can use turmeric powder. Normally the longer that you marinate, the best it is.
So your recommendation is to leave it, what, for an hour in the fridge, or?
Yeah, even hours. Then you have nice, really nice taste flavor.
Okay, you want me to start with the tail or just
Yeah.
like this?
Okay. Okay, Kim, I think the fish is ready.
Yeah, it smells really nice, Mom. That's perfect.
Okay, then I'm going to put in the plate.
Look at these colors, and this is the turmeric that you put.
Yes, it's nice color. But the thing is, we have to make a Thai dip, spicy Thai dip to go along with this.
Okay.
So what you need is to pound the coriander root.
You like coriander root, huh, Mom?
Coriander root. The Thai people love to eat coriander root.
I actually think it's one of the only cuisine in the world where we use the
Coriander
root.
root, yes. And we even put tea clove garlic.
Thank you for
We make
making.
a smooth paste.
Thank you, Mom.
And then I need some chili. I will put, if you like spicy, I put maybe 3-4 chili.
Chili is always exciting, huh?
Yeah, give spicy taste. Okay. Can I put now?
Sure. All right.
Now you need to put a bit half tablespoon of palm sugar
All right.
here, and maybe half tablespoon of tamarind juice. Now next one is fish sauce. To add the fish sauce to give it salty taste. Yeah.
Tamarind is sour.
Okay. In the end, we are going to squeeze lime juice.
Okay.
1 piece of lime to give nice sour taste. Okay, that's it.
This is good, Mom?
Yeah, we call that nam jim seafood. This is ready.
So here we have the turmeric fish with the nam chim seafood.
In Thai is pla tha khamin nam jim seafood.